Hey guys, it's that time of the year. Everyone's probably digging out their snow blowers, haven't ran all summer long, and you go to start it up, make sure it's ready for the snow, and it has a bad idle. Now, it is easy enough to clean the carburetor out, but some people don't want to do that. They get a little intimidated. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to possibly solve that rough idle. So first we're going to go over the rough idle I'm talking about. I'm going to start it and I'll stand back further. You can hear it. It's like a surging idle. So at full throttle it goes vroom, vroom. And I'll show you how to fix that without even taking the carburetor apart. Possibly. So give me a second. I'll start this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I know my sound quality isn't the best on here. I'm really hoping that came across right. You can hear the idle surging at full throttle. It has that vroom, vroom. So this is how we're going to be doing it. They sell these at Advanced. I'm sure AutoZone has it. Amazon probably has it. It's a little expensive. I think it was around 15 bucks for the can. It's a seafoam spray and the aerosol spray. This is important because we're not going to be, well, we will be adding some to the gas tank, but our main concern is the carburetor. So we're going to take this and we're just going to spray it right into the carburetor when it's running. So let me start this back up. I'll start spraying some in and we'll see what happens. Just to clarify real quick, we are not taking the carburetor apart. You feed the end of the aerosol can up into the air intake side of the carburetor. I know it's really hard to see up in there. This snowblower does not have an air filter. I believe most snowblowers do not have air filters. So we're going to start this, and when it's running, just pull the can down. So let me start this quick. I don't think I could do it with one hand. Alright, that idle sounds a lot better. It could be a tick better, but it's definitely an improvement. So as you can see what I was doing there, unfortunately I couldn't talk over the exhaust because I was right next to it. You don't want to hold down long enough to kill the engine. So you just give it a burst, let it die down. You're going to see white smoke come out of the exhaust. That's fine. That's what you want. That's crap burning off. So just spray down, let the engine die down, then let off right away. Then let it recover. And you just do that a couple times. I probably used maybe a quarter of the can, and the idle is already better. So what I said before about putting some in the gas tank, you get these pourable jugs, or cans rather, and you just add, so let's say pretend this is full, probably about that much, because it's a tiny tank. This is super concentrated, so you don't need that much. And then as you use it through the winter, that'll continue every time you fill the gas tank. Keep putting a couple splashes in, and that'll continue to work that stale gas or buildup out of your carburetor. Now unfortunately this doesn't work all the time. This is just more of a, I would consider a maintenance thing, help working out that bad gas. But hopefully it does work for you, and if it does, let me know in the comments. Thank you.